Hi everyone. I have a brand new loom from CinDwood. I wanted to unbox it here in front of you and let us all be excited about it at one time. Let's see what we have. Okay, I already took it out of the box and I cut the bottom because I wanted to save us a little bit of time and noise. But I'll just go ahead and remove the rest of this bubble wrap here. And let's see what we have. I'm so excited. What we have is a little bit larger Afghan loom. A little bit larger than the extra large rounds that they have. And since CinDwood couldn't go any bigger in the round design, Cindy has come up with this new design. Look how wonderful. This is beautiful and well done, like all of them. This is a 7/16 with 200 pegs, like in an oval or like a racetrack design. This is their previous biggest loom they had, and this would make a 50-inch wide. So in comparison, it's a little bit longer oval. It's a little bit shorter as far as if we line it up. This new one is just a little bit skinnier. Let's see. I usually use this loom here on this chair, and I loom with it going around and around like this. So with this one, I don't think it's going to be too bad. I was a little worried, the arms of my chair, but I think if I'm going around here like this, and the other end is propped on my footrest, but I do the same thing for my large round one. I put that on my footrest as well. It looks great, and I don't think I'm going to have any problems with this. I'm expecting to get around 60 to 62 inches wide. That would be more of a bed blanket. This would be more of a throw size blanket for a recliner on the sofa or a kid's blanket. Although you can make all of them on this one. Just use less pegs. It's so cool. Thank you, Cindy, for making this. And I'm going to use some of this beautiful yarn right here and make something beautiful on this new loom. So this, again, this is 7/16, 200 pegs in a new design that they are able to make with their equipment. So I am going to start this, and then I will be back with another review after I get some done, so I can show you all how nice it is. It's beautiful. See y'all later. Thank you. Bye.